Huawei P20 Power. Hottest leaks. Latest Kirin 970 chipset. 8GB of RAM. One report from China previously suggested the P11 will ship with the latest Kirin 970 chipset, which features inside both the Huawei Mate 10 and Mate 10 Pro. Usually Huawei debuts the new chipset tech on the Mate line and brings it to the P device later, so we expect that to happen again for the Huawei P11. The same source also suggests the phone will ship with 8GB of RAM on board, in a similar move to this year's OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 5T. We are constantly updating this piece on the latest Huawei P11 rumors, so be sure to check back for more soon. We've also heard some rumors about the Huawei P20 Lite, which will apparently have a mid-range Kirin 659 chipset, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage and a 3,520 mAh battery. One disappointment to brace yourself for: Huawei might be ditching the microSD card on the P20 and P20 Pro models. However, there's some potentially good news, as 128GB of storage is rumored to be the standard option on both the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro, so the loss of an expandable storage option may not be an issue.